We are the state management of the valley. We are responsible for protecting the property. Not only property, but also lives of the people that we serve, our workers, the employees. So what makes us strong? Because of our unity. They are our strong support, not only for our estate partners, but also for the APMC Safety Group with the leadership of John Padilla.
Kami po dito sa Ayala Property Management Corporation ay merong safety group. Ang safety group po ay binuo upang ma-ensure ang lahat ng aktibidades na ginagawa namin dito sa Ayala ay maging safe. So isa po sa activities namin ngayon ay yung tinatawag naming Nuvali Emergency Evacuation Drill. So dito po sa drill na to ay showcase namin yung tinatawag naming Incident Command System na sa assessment po ng buong safety group ay natupad naman or naisagawa ng ating Nuvali team. Ito po ay sinamahan ng aming Bureau of Fire, ng ating mga kapulisan at ng buong Nuvali team po namin. Ang safety group ay uma-assist o tumutulong para makumpleto o maisagawa ng maayos ang ating needs or Nuvali evacuation drill.
Hi everyone, I am Joshua D. Mandokdok. I am the estate manager of Nuvali for North. For APMC, each property mayroong property manager, and during the emergency drills or emergency scenarios, they're also expected to be the incident commander. So for this time, meron tayong kinonduct na need or Nuvali evacuation drill na nangyari ngayong December 10, 2025. So this was participated by all the select LGU, LEUs in Santa Rosa and Calamba. Siguro the benefit of the drill to the property is, I guess, we're going to improve the coordination, the connection, and the relationship with the LGU and LEUs, particularly in Santa Rosa and Calamba. And the learnings we learned dito sa drill natin will surely be applied, which we really don't want to happen kung mangyari man yung mga emergency situations dito sa bansa.